Okay, these are those the 60 and 62. I did videos yesterday coming in. Check this out. Look how they dress it up like a small block with the covers for the coil covers. Absolutely cool. I did this yesterday, the outside, but didn't see the inside. Very clean. Very clean. Very clean. And there's a 60 I did. So I did the outside. I'm out of cars again. Check this boat out. Just I don't have the money. I guess if I don't have the money, I don't have to worry about it.
Bounces off the side and comes right back.
Well,
And it's definitely different boat.
is this yours?
No. One of the guys that are in the whole group.
Leave my car right here. Thanks.
Smells like